All right, one time we are making gumbo, but we gonna do it in a whole other way. You know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned. This is the sausage that we using. Gumbo with our crab meat. I'm using crab meat and like some lump crab meat, right? And we gonna throw a little turkey necks in there because that's just how we gonna give it up. A little okra, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion. We gonna throw a little mushrooms because a meal ain't right without no mushrooms. Chicken broth, a little butter, a little celery, diced tomatoes, Earl, shrimp, and jasmine rice. So first things first, what we gonna do, we gonna put these turkey necks and we gonna cook them in this chicken broth. We gonna rinse them off a little bit because you always gotta wash your meat. All right, keep in mind, meats needs to be washed. All meats need to be washed. If you know what I mean. One thing about it, 2 things for sure, you cannot forget the French bread. Always have somebody in here doing the dishes. That's your job, dish duty. Look at that wrist work. Look at the wrist. Ooh. Look at the dish. Ooh. Look at the dish. Ooh. So I got this gumbo base, but I don't know if I'm gonna really much use it. I might use a little bit because I'm a scratch type of person. I'm not the instant. I know this 2019 and y'all heifers like everything instant rice, instant grits, instant chicken. You want everything already made. I don't like instant. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm just gonna try a little bit, but I'm still gonna make my own base and I'm gonna show y'all how to make the base as well. It's like making gravy. It's real easy. Keep in mind, this is my first time making gumbo. Let's just be clear about this. But once you know how to cook, you can cook anything. That's just how I feel. If you can cook one, you can cook it all. Okay, so we have the turkey necks in the pot. What I'm going to do is add my chicken broth. Now, this is some not old, but I already had this in the refrigerator. So I'm going to just use what I had. And I'm going to pour it in there. I already washed it. Now, I put that in the chicken broth. That's going to be real good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come on over here and put it on there. We're going to let that boil. We're going to let him cook, okay? So while that's cooking, we about to move on to the next. I have cut up my sausage, my celery. This is about 3 things of celery. It's 3 things, three stems of celery. I used a whole onion and a whole bell pepper and 1 pack of sausage. So now I'm about to make my roux mix. I know I need to do better with measurements, but I don't measure nothing. So this is called no measurement kitchen. As soon as I understand them and give me some measuring stuff, I'm gonna start measuring for y'all. But until then, just fill the pot. Just put the pot, look, bam, look at that. Yep. We're going to put a little bit more. We just going to fill, just let all the grease hit the bottom of the pot real nice. We want it to saturate on the bottom. There you go. Just like that. All right, that's about 3/4 of flour. 6 ounces of flour. I'm about to put it here, and it's going to be just like gravy. So, we're going to put it in there. And while it's in there, we're going to cook it. We're going to stir it. And you want to keep stirring it because what you don't want to do is let it burn. But you're going to cook it for a little bit. Okay, you want to wait till it get like light brown, like a light brown color, because that's the color. However long you cook the gravy, that's what color your gumbo going to be. So you want to wait till it's light brown, you little bitch. But always stir because you do not want to burn it, honey. Because you burn this gravy, it's going to taste just like the pot. And we don't want it to taste like the pot. Honey, when you do your gravy, please always cook it on high. Because we trying to hurry up and get this thing going. This is the flour and the Earl. It ain't as brown as I need it to be. So we just going to keep on rocking this thing out. So the gumbo can have that nice look to it, Okay, so what I did, I put my onions and my bell peppers in it now. Now that I got it as brown as I want it, and I stir. This is going to be our base, y'all. This is our base. We doing over here is we are frying our sausage. I put a little grease in there just for the crispness of it. So that's your choice to just do them regularly, put it in butter, but I just use a little grease. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna add our sausage. Adding our sausage. Just a little, like literally a little bit of, I don't want too much okra. And then I have our diced tomatoes, and we're gonna add, it's about a cup of diced tomatoes. 2 spoonfuls of minced garlic. And we're gonna add our seasonings. Use some black pepper. Might be like mushrooms, but I'm gonna put some mushrooms in my gumbo because I just love mushrooms and I like mushrooms in everything. Put a bay leaf in there. I'm going to add some basil. Keep in mind, I don't measure shit. We're gonna add a little bit of this right here. Honey, if y'all only see, I'm trying to hold the camera in. Okay, then we're gonna add this because it do got salt in it, so I don't want to add too much until I put the broth in it. Okay, some oregano. And some thyme. Not that much time because thyme is strong, so we ain't gonna do that much time. We just gonna wait to see how it tastes once I put this, what the hell? Oh, this chicken broth in it. So now what I'm about to do is add this little chicken broth right here. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's it. Pour this juice in there, baby, just like that. Yes. And I'm gonna plop them turkey necks down up in there too. All right, I put my shrimp in there. I'm gonna stir that around. Shrimp is now inactive. This is the crab meat I am using. Wild caught special crab meat. And I also got the lump crab meat too, so just to have the bigger pieces of crab. So yeah, I'm gonna just put that in there. I did not do, you know, the regular crab. I just didn't do it. I didn't feel like it. So I'm gonna use this whole thing though. I'm gonna put the whole thing in my gumbo. Get the flicker-wrist going. Boy, that look good already. Yes, Lord. Yes, yes, yes. Now I am adding my red pepper, honey, because I always like a little spice. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to add a little red pepper, not too much, because, honey, I don't like when it's too hot and you cannot enjoy the food. I hate that. I want to enjoy my concoction. But we want a little heat on it, you know what I'm saying? Like it's Cajun. It's New Orleans style. So you gotta be a little heat. You know, just a little heat. Just a little heat. And I also use just a little bit of worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Why do they make shit up like that? Worcestershire sauce. That's what I use. Just a little bit. Just a tad bit. Tad bit. And I added me a little parsley because, you know, we need a little green up in there. It ain't right without the parsley. You need some green action. Now, how much parsley I just used, I don't know. Keep in mind, we making it up. We just making it up. But it look good. That's all that matter. If it look good and it tastes good, who cares what somebody else say? Ooh, wait. That looks marvelous. Yes, Lord. Look at it. Yes. Boy, this kitchen done been through some things in the last hour. I normally like to clean as I cook, but okay, no, really I'm lying. Shit just be everywhere, and then when you just about to get done, that's when you just gonna clean all this up. You know what I'm saying? While this is, we gonna let that marinate. We gonna put that one on low, and we gonna let it simmer. Cook that flour down a little bit. That's what we gonna do. Keep in mind, this is my first time making gumbo, and like I said before, I got it, but didn't use it. For what? For what? This is what I think about anything instant. Oh, didn't make it. We gonna try this again. Okay. We gonna try this one more time. This is what I think about anything instant. It's hard trying to shoot and hold this thing. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, we gonna try this one more. You know what? I'm gonna turn it towards me. Yeah, so anyway, back to what I was saying. This is what I think about the scratch. Booyah! We don't need it. We don't need it, baby. So we gonna let this just do its thing. I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna put it on low. I'm about to put that thing on low. And I might just let it do what it do for like a good little 45, 30 minutes. Honey, I know I threw this shit away, but I had to go back in the trash can and get it because I don't throw nothing away. Hey, this little dollar, it's gonna be used for something, some gravy. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm gonna use it for something. I'm rinsing it off right now. Put that right on back. I was just showing y'all, you know, I didn't need it. But I ain't about to waste my money on rice over here cooking. I ain't got no steamer, so it is what it is. We're gonna have to just cook it the old-fashioned way. And this is over here simmering. I got it on under medium heat. Just to, you know, get them flavors marinating up in there, child. I sound so old, child. Auntie Teresa. Alright. I am an auntie. I got a old soul. Alright, so we'll be back with the finished product in a minute. And also, y'all didn't know I got this French bread right here. But listen, y'all don't really think you at the restaurant. Nigga don't know what they got till it's gone. You leave a nigga hungry. Leave him hungry and let him go to the next bitch that's gonna eat out 5 times a week. He gonna look at her like, what we gonna eat? And she gonna be like, oh no. Can't even figure nothing out. Don't even know what to do with beans, rice, and some chicken in the refrigerator. Yes, letting that simmer. Now what we about to do is get this bread popping. Yes, ma'am. Sir, ma'am. Whoever's watching. Ma'am, sir, ma'am. We gonna cut at this bread. Cut.
Don't get comfortable. Don't get comfortable. I did this shit out for you. Now I gotta...
We gotta make some homemade garlic bread because, you know, I just feel like every time I cook, it need to be an experience like the restaurant. Because when you go to the restaurant, they gonna use bread. So I say, you know what? We gonna make some bread. Those are the 3 things I'm gonna use for this garlic bread. Oh, in the butter. So I'm gonna take this, scoop it, and I'm gonna spread it on the bread. Okay, I'm gonna do that for each one.
If you knew what I knew, you wouldn't be so comfortable. I did this shit out for you. So baby, don't get comfortable. Yeah.
Ooh, honey. We just popped that thing in the oven. Now we about to allow it to do its thug dizzle. It's lit. Do y'all see what's going on? Let me wash this. Let me wash this spoon off there. Okay. Now that we did that, we gonna stir at the gumbo. Now, I didn't put too much like Old Bay in that Tony seasoning because you still want to be able to taste the seafood. Because sometimes you can over season to the point where it all tastes like one thing and you don't taste the shrimp, the crab, the nothing. So you still want to have that flavor of everything in there. Bam! We done. Just like that. Do you see this? Look at the flick of the wrist. Hey, you better get you somebody that know how to cook. Y'all be playing. And here go my homemade garlic bread. Come on now. Rice. We got the gumbo. Now I'm about to make these plates and pots about to get popping. Boy. Oh boy. The mushroom. The sausage, the shrimp, all that extra crab meat I put in it. Now I'm about to try the neckbone. Got to be more careful. About that neckbone. Got to be no careful. Make you want to slap your mama. Mama, where you at so I can slap you? I'm slapping my mama tonight.